Right, how does Windsurf AI work? Basically, this tool lets us create a workspace. First, we should create a workspace. We'll click Open Folder and simply create a folder. We click Select Folder and the folder is chosen. We confirm that we trust it. As you see on the right, we now have the prompts section. We can add a reference image. We can choose AI tools that work with premium. For non-premium, we have Cascade based. Not sure if I can use cloud as it offers a trial credit. Then we have two settings, write and chat. Write lets AI directly apply necessary changes. In chat mode, it'll ask for permission each time it wants to make a change. So let's ask it to create a React application for us. I've told it to make an about page on AI or AI programs using React. We'll hit enter. If you have premium, I recommend using Anthropic, that is cloud, since it tends to be, or rather it's the tool typically used for these projects and usually works the best. So let's wait for it to create the app. As you can see here, we can click on insert. It'll ask for various packages, as you'll see. We need to click go terminal or to terminal. It says OK to proceed, yeah. Type Y and it'll list the needed packages. I must say it's taking quite a while. I understand why. The servers must be overloaded. Let's see what we end up with. And well, as you can see, we finally have our project here. Well, this right here is the project. It's important to commit occasionally, though it's not doing it for me right now. I have to say, this tool takes its sweet time. You might be wondering, how can we view our project? I basically just asked it, how can I run this project now? Because I could access the page before, which was this one here. It's showing me what we saw earlier in media frame. And now it's showing me the actual page. This is the page. So let's see if I'm going to be learning. Nothing's working. But as you can see, from the WinSource preview, you should be able to view the WinSource. From here, we can click on Send Element and select, for example, a button or, for instance, yes, this button. And I'm saying let people see a small preview of what they'll see in the courses. And well, it's going to start building and so on. And that's how you use this tool. I must say, aesthetically, it leaves much to be desired. It's also true that I haven't really played around with it much, okay? Technically, it's taken ages. I don't know, time-wise, it's been quite slow. It seems the tool is much cheaper, though. Let's see how it makes the changes. As you can see, here it shows me 2 files with changes, okay? I can discard. All the errors appear there. And here it tells me, well, let's see what it's done. It hasn't done anything yet. It says, well, suggested actions, add more topics, make it more visible. Okay, let's tell it to improve visibility. An important one? Well, here it'll show us files with changes. Click Equipon instead of discard, like I did, and hit commit. Keep committing, which basically allows us to, well, attach new changes and save them, like making a backup. As I understand, this tool won't change anything unless you make backup. That is, it won't modify things that are to be saved, so that's it.